Welcome to Looking at the Markets with David Modell. Today I'm going to give you a brief and easy introduction to the OBV or On Balance Volume Indicator. So here we go. Developed in the 1960s by Joseph Granville, the On Balance Volume or OBV indicator is based on the idea that volume is just as important as whether a period or candlestick closed green or red. The OBV indicator only rises a lot when a period or candle closes green, meaning above the previous period's close, with heavy volume. If the volume is light, the OBV indicator won't rise a lot, even if the stock's price went up a lot. Similarly, the OBV indicator only falls a lot when a period or candle closes red, meaning below the previous period's close, with heavy volume. If the volume is light, the OBV indicator won't fall a lot, even if the stock's price went down a lot. The idea is that the stock's price action will follow where the volume flow is going. In other words, volume precedes price. It's just a theory, but it makes for a unique and interesting indicator to add to your toolbox. A divergence between the direction of the OBV indicator and the direction of the price action of the candlesticks might possibly indicate the future direction of the stock's price. And here are a couple of examples of that. This is a daily candlestick chart of the price action of Ford stock. All right, each candlestick represents 1 day of price action, and here's the OBV, and this is from stockcharts.com, so I want to give them credit. All right, so we can see examples of a divergence right over here. All right, we've got the price action going up. All right, you've got a higher high here, but at the same time, you've got a lower high on the OBV or On Balance Volume Indicator. All right, price action going up, OBV indicator going down. And which one turned out to be right? The candlestick direction or the OBV indicator direction? Well, we can see that the candlestick direction, that this was a head fake. All right, it looked like it was gonna go up, but it went down quite a bit. And so the divergence here, in this case, showed that the on balance volume told the truth here. And so in this case, it looks like volume preceded price. Doesn't always work, but it worked in this case. Here's another similar example with the daily candlestick chart of Sprint stock. And we can see the On Balance Volume indicator just going down, down, down. It's not making higher highs here. It's starting and then going down, making lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, all the way down. And there were times here where it looked like Sprint was, the stock was going to recover and start going up. Like over here, started going up, and you might have gotten optimistic here. You might have wanted to buy it, but if you checked the lower highs on the On Balance Volume indicator, you might have known better than to buy here, because it looks like, once again, the price came after the volume. In other words, volume preceded price. The OBV indicator told the truth more than the head fake on the candlesticks here. All right, and it happened quite a few times here. Where it looked like it was going to start going up, but like for example over here, you can see the candlesticks making higher highs here, but look at the OBV indicator. All right, it went up and then right back down. All right, also we can see it, for example over here, looks like it was going to go up, but we see lower highs in the OBV indicator, and we saw what happened afterwards. All right, it's kind of subtle. All right, it's not going to be very, very obvious. You have to kind of look for it, and it does not always work, but it's a really unique and interesting indicator if you want to place more emphasis on volume in your trading. The OBV indicator is best used not in isolation, but rather in conjunction with other indicators, as well as your own judgment and common sense. So feel free to add this to your toolbox of indicators. All right, this was just an introduction, but I hoped it gave you an idea of what the on-balance volume or OBV indicator is all about. So please give this video a thumbs up, leave comments, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done that already. And if you'd like to get some help with indicators, trading, investing, putting together a plan for your trading or investing, because you definitely need one, you can email me at any time. My email address is davidmodell@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching and listening, and I'll talk to you again soon.